Just 7 natural vitamins to stop frequent urination at night. Are frequent trips to the bathroom disrupting your nights and stealing your sleep? You're not alone. For many, nocturia, excessive urination at night, becomes an all-too-common frustration as they age. But what if there were natural ways to address this issue without relying on medications? That's where specific vitamins and nutrients come into play. In this video, we'll explore 7 powerful vitamins that can help you manage nighttime urination naturally. Each one contributes uniquely to bladder health, fluid balance, and inflammation reduction, key factors in regaining peaceful, uninterrupted sleep. From essential minerals to potent anti-inflammatory agents, these nutrients are simple to include in your routine and can make a noticeable difference in your nightly comfort. Ready to take the first step toward quieter nights and better bladder health? Let's dive in. Number 1. Vitamin D. Vitamin D often goes unnoticed in our daily routines, yet it plays a superhero role in managing bladder health. Imagine it as the sun's gift to your body, enhancing muscle function and calming inflammation in your urinary tract. This dual action helps improve bladder control, especially during the night. Natural sources like fatty fish, think salmon or sardines, are a tasty way to boost your intake. Egg yolks and sun-exposed mushrooms are also excellent additions to your meals. Speaking of the sun, spending just 15 minutes outside daily can do wonders for your vitamin D levels. Picture this: a gentle stroll in the morning light, breathing in the fresh air. Not only are you topping up your vitamin D reserves, but you're also setting a calming tone for the day. If stepping outside isn't an option, fortified foods like milk or cereals can help bridge the gap. Little lifestyle tweaks like these make a big difference over time, helping you feel more in control of those nighttime wake-up calls. And here's a fun idea. Prepare a vibrant dinner that celebrates vitamin D. Imagine grilled salmon with a side of mushroom-stuffed bell peppers. This isn't just a meal. It's a step toward better sleep and fewer nighttime interruptions. If you're consistent, your body will thank you, and your bladder might just give you a quieter night. Number 2. Magnesium. Magnesium is like the unsung hero of nighttime comfort, especially when it comes to your bladder. This mineral has a knack for relaxing muscles, including those in your bladder, and reducing pesky spasms that create a sense of urgency. Foods like spinach, pumpkin seeds, almonds, and avocados are natural powerhouses of magnesium. By integrating these into your meals, you're not just fueling your body. You're giving your bladder the calm it needs to stay quiet when the lights go out. Imagine sipping on a creamy smoothie before bed, one that's packed with magnesium-rich goodness. A mix of spinach, avocado, and a dash of almond milk creates a soothing drink that preps your body for rest. It's a small, delicious step toward reclaiming your nights. Plus, the natural nutrients from these ingredients support overall muscle function, giving you an edge in staying comfortable and well-rested. For an extra tip, think about replacing late-night snacks with magnesium-rich options like a handful of almonds or roasted pumpkin seeds. These are easy swaps that can make a noticeable difference. Number 3. Vitamin C. Vitamin C is a wellness powerhouse, and it's not just for keeping colds at bay. It also plays a big role in bladder health. This vitamin reduces inflammation in the urinary tract, helping to prevent discomfort and urgency. Foods like oranges, strawberries, bell peppers, and broccoli are brimming with vitamin C. Adding these to your daily diet is a simple, tasty way to support your bladder and enjoy some vibrant flavors. Picture this: a colorful dinner plate with a fresh salad made from crisp broccoli, juicy bell peppers, and strawberries. Not only does it look appealing, but it's also a step toward reducing nighttime interruptions. Vitamin C's antioxidant properties strengthen the bladder lining, making it more resilient to irritations that can cause frequent urination. It's a deliciously easy way to invest in your health. Here's a fun tip: squeeze fresh orange juice or whip up a quick smoothie with strawberries and yogurt. This refreshing treat not only boosts your vitamin C levels, but also keeps your hydration balanced during the day, helping to minimize nighttime thirst and its consequences. Number 4. Potassium. Potassium is like your body's fluid regulator, helping to maintain the perfect balance and reduce fluid retention, a key factor in managing nighttime urgency. Found in foods like bananas, sweet potatoes, spinach, and coconut water, this essential mineral ensures your body isn't holding on to excess fluids that might send you to the bathroom at night. Incorporating these into your meals can feel like a small step with a big payoff. Imagine enjoying a warm bowl of mashed sweet potatoes for dinner, seasoned with a pinch of cinnamon. It's comforting, delicious, and quietly working to keep your body's fluid balance in check. Potassium also helps the muscles in your urinary system function more efficiently, reducing the likelihood of those midnight wake-up calls. It's a practical way to reclaim restful nights. Here's a handy tip. Sip on coconut water during the day to top up your potassium levels without overwhelming your body before bed. Small adjustments like these are easy to integrate into your routine and can make a noticeable difference in your nighttime comfort. Number 5. Zinc. Zinc is like a guardian for your urinary health, working to support the overall function of your bladder and reduce the risk of infections that can lead to nighttime disruptions. You can find zinc in foods like oysters, nuts, pumpkin seeds, and lean meats. These nutrient-rich options are easy to incorporate into meals, adding both flavor and bladder-boosting benefits. Imagine snacking on a handful of roasted pumpkin seeds during your afternoon break. Not only are they crunchy and satisfying, but they're also quietly helping to strengthen your urinary system. Zinc aids in cell repair and immune function, ensuring your bladder stays healthy and less prone to irritation or infection. It's a small indulgence with big benefits. Consider adding zinc-rich lean meats like chicken or turkey to your dinner rotation. A simple grilled chicken breast paired with a side of vegetables can support your bladder and give your taste buds a treat. These dietary tweaks are straightforward, making it easier to stay consistent and enjoy uninterrupted nights. Number 6. Omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids are well known for their anti-inflammatory properties, which are particularly beneficial for bladder health. Chronic inflammation in the urinary tract can exacerbate symptoms like frequent urination, especially at night. Foods rich in omega-3s, such as wild salmon, sardines, flax seeds, and walnuts, provide the essential fats needed to reduce irritation and support overall urinary function. Including omega-3s in your diet helps improve the strength and coordination of muscles around the bladder, which can lead to better control and fewer disruptions during the night. These healthy fats also promote nerve health, essential for maintaining clear communication between the brain and bladder, a critical factor in minimizing urgency. For a practical approach, consider incorporating omega-3 sources into meals a few times per week. For example, adding flax seeds to oatmeal or including wild salmon in your dinner plan provides a straightforward way to increase your intake. Simple dietary adjustments like these can yield noticeable improvements in bladder health over time. Number 7. Vitamin B6. This is a critical nutrient for maintaining nerve health and managing fluid balance in the body, both of which play key roles in bladder control. This vitamin helps reduce fluid retention, which can significantly minimize the frequency of nighttime urination. Natural sources of vitamin B6 include tuna, avocado, bananas, and chickpeas, each offering an effective way to incorporate this nutrient into your daily routine. By supporting the nerves that communicate with the bladder, vitamin B6 enhances coordination and reduces the likelihood of spasms or sudden urges. This improved function can lead to more restful nights with fewer interruptions. Additionally, this vitamin contributes to the balance of electrolytes, further supporting the body's ability to regulate fluid levels effectively. To increase your vitamin B6 intake, simple additions like a serving of chickpea-based hummus or a banana as a snack can make a difference. Regularly including these foods in your diet is a straightforward strategy to promote better bladder health and improve overall comfort at night. Taking control of nighttime urination doesn't have to be overwhelming or medication-dependent. By integrating these 7 vitamins and nutrients into your daily routine, you're giving your body the tools it needs to support bladder health, maintain fluid balance, and reduce inflammation, all naturally. Consider starting with small, consistent changes like adding magnesium-rich spinach to your meals or incorporating a vitamin D boost from sunlight. Over time, these adjustments can lead to noticeable improvements in your sleep quality and overall comfort. However, it's essential to consult your healthcare provider before making significant dietary changes or introducing new supplements, especially if you're managing existing health conditions or taking medications. A professional can help tailor these strategies to your unique needs, ensuring safety and effectiveness. What steps will you take today to support your bladder health? Remember, small changes can create significant results. Empower yourself with knowledge, and enjoy the benefits of uninterrupted rest. Here's to quieter nights and a healthier you.